Hello friends, welcome to Nanotech Works. In today's videos, we will learn how to download JDBC jar files and add them to our project in Eclipse. Firstly, open your favorite browser and go to the search bar and type MySQL jars. You will get MySQL download connector J. It is a official website of MySQL. Click on that link. Here it is saying to choose the operating system. Here we have to select a platform independent zip archive file. Just click on download. No, just start my download. Click on it. Now it is downloading. Once the download is completed, open that zip folder and extract that zip folder. Extract to your favorite location where you want. Now it is extracting. Now open that extracted folder. You will get MySQL connector J 9.1.0 executable jar file. This file we will add in our project. Open your Eclipse. Now right click on your project folder. Go to build path. Go to configure build path. Here go to Java build path. Click on the Java build path. Go to libraries. Click on class path. From here you can go to add library, user library. Click on next, user library. Click on new. Now give the name, folder name which you want to generate. You can give any name. Click on OK. Now click on that folder. Click on add external jars. Go to the location where you have downloaded that jar. Open that folder and just select MySQL connector 9.1.0 executable jar file. Just select that jar file. Click on select. Now you can see your jar file is been added. Click on apply and close. Click on finish. Click on apply and just click on apply and close. Now here you can see your MySQL jar is added. MySQL connector. Now you are ready to connect Java with MySQL easily. If you found this video helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel and share it with your friends.